What if I told you that the future of investing is not just about companies but about breakthrough ideas? Imagine being a part of the next big innovation, whether it's AI, robotics, or even space tech. Sounds exciting, right? Hi everyone and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Motilal Oswal Innovation Fund NFO. This NFO opens from January 29 to February 12, 2025. Think about this. Companies that disrupted industries a decade ago are now giants. Amazon changed shopping, Tesla redefined cars, and AI is revolutionizing everything. Now the question is, how do you invest in the next wave of game changers? Well, that's exactly what the Motilal Oswal Innovation Fund is all about. Innovation isn't just about creating new products, it's about transforming how to live, work, and thrive. First, let's understand what we mean by innovation. It's not just about tech startups or flashy gadgets. Innovation comes in many forms, like product and service innovations that create new market opportunities, process innovations that revolutionize how things are done, market innovations that transform entire industries, and disruptive innovations that change the game completely. Now let's talk about Motilal Oswal Innovation Fund NFO. This fund is designed to tap into companies that are pioneering change across sectors. But what makes this fund special? Let's break it down. Here's something exciting. India's global innovation ranking has jumped from 66 to 39 in 2024. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to our country's growing innovation ecosystem. The fund capitalizes on four key drivers of innovation in India. First, innovation opportunities across all sectors. Second, a robust support ecosystem. Third, strong policy backing. And fourth, India's journey towards self-sufficiency. Now let's talk about why should you choose this fund. Unlike traditional sector-specific funds, the Motilal Oswal Innovation Fund looks for innovation leaders across industries. These are companies that create new products and services, improve existing processes, adapt to changing market dynamics, and show potential for substantial growth. Now let's see who can invest in this fund. First, investors looking for a true-to-label innovation fund. Second, investors looking to participate in India's innovation growth story. Third, investors looking to diversify their portfolio and willing to allocate in a thematic fund. Fourth, want specialized exposure to disruptive and innovative companies that will benefit from the adoption of innovative strategies or following the innovation theme. And fifth, investors with long-term horizon having high-risk appetite. Their fund manager is Mr. Varun Sharma, who is the Executive Group Vice President at Motilal Oswal AMC. He has an impressive career spanning over 15 years in investment management, with the last 8 to 10 years dedicated to managing digital and innovation strategy funds. Now let's talk about the fund details. This fund is an open-ended equity scheme following innovation theme. The entry load is nil, whereas the exit load 1% if redeemed within 90 days from the date of allotment, and nil if redeemed after 90 days from the date of allotment. No exit load will be applicable in case of switches between all the active schemes of MOMF. The minimum investment amount is Rs 500. Remember, innovation isn't just about technology, it's about the future. And with Motilal Oswal Innovation Fund, you have a chance to invest in that future. Well, this was all about the Motilal Oswal Innovation Fund NFO. We hope you like this video. Thank you.